ball peen hammer. For all industries. Accurately balanced. Tough drop forged head with a selectively hardened face and pane. Blacksmith sledge double face hammer. The sledge hammer is a heavy-duty hammer used for demolition jobs where high force is required. Smooth and cross peen hammer. A cross peen hammer can be used in metalwork, stonework, blacksmithing, or woodworking. Testing hammer. For testing and investigating boilers, welding joints, hulls, etc. Designed for detecting structural defects by the sound created from the hammering. Bell face hand hammer with nail puller or claw hammer. Round bell face enables easier driving of nails close to butting surfaces and in corners. Shipping hammer. Designed for removing boiler, scale, rust, or paint on vessels, etc. Combination hammer. Hammerhead made of a combination of iron and hard plastic. Carpenter hammer. The head has been designed with one round-faced end in one end as a nail puller. Copper hammer. Copper hammers are typically used on machinery to apply force to parts with a reduced risk of damaging them and to avoid sparks, making them non-sparking hammers. Lead hammer. A lead hammer is used when you need force but don't want to mark or damage the object being hit. Ideal for working on drive shafts, alloy wheels, and any softer metals. Brass hammer. Brass hammers are perfect for lettering or other delicate work. Aluminium hammer. Aluminium hammers are a general-purpose, soft-faced hammer ideal for striking objects you don't want to damage. Plastic hammer. Soft face hammers are intended for striking blows where steel hammers would mar or damage the surface of the work. Rubber hammer. Soft but tough, non-flaking neoprene head prevents damage to the surface being worked on. Wood mallet hammer. Wooden mallet, usually used in carpentry to knock wooden pieces together, or to drive dowels or chisels. Steel wedges for hammer. Wedges are used when repairing and replacing damaged handles on hammers or axes.